Hello, in this simulation we're going to investigate cutting lines of force. In the left-hand diagram, you can see two block magnets fixed to a mild steel yoke producing a strong magnetic field. The lines of force are shown in white. A movable wire rests on the bottom of the yoke. Let's drag the wire up and down to see it move through the magnetic field. You will see the movement copied in the right-hand diagram. So, the right-hand diagram shows a cross-section through the yoke looking at the red north pole of the left magnet. The lines of force are shown as white dots, indicating that the magnetic field lines are coming out of the North Pole towards you. Let's select South-North to swap the magnets over and reverse the direction of the magnetic field. You can see in the right-hand diagram that the magnet face has changed to blue and the lines of force are now represented by crosses, indicating that the magnetic field lines are going away from you. Let's select North-South again to revert to the original magnetic field direction. In the right-hand diagram, the yellow rectangle represents a circuit diagram that includes the movable wire and the sensitive center 0 meter. The meter will show any induced electromotive force generated in the circuit. The induced electromotive force indicator at the bottom of the screen, to which the wire in the left-hand diagram is connected, displays the electromotive force in more detail. In the right-hand diagram, let's drag the yellow wire at the top of the circuit up and down to see it move through the magnetic field. Is any electromotive force generated? Yes, as indicated in the circuit and the induced electromotive force indicator. Let's move the wire to the bottom of the yoke and slowly raise it to the lower edge of the red magnet. Is any electromotive force generated while the wire is moving? No, since the wire is out of the magnetic field region. Let's move the wire up to the top edge of the red magnet. Is any electromotive force generated while the wire is moving now? Yes. Let's move the wire up from the top edge of the red magnet as far as it can go. Is any electromotive force generated while the wire is moving now? No. So let's move the wire down and leave it in the magnetic field. Is any electromotive force generated while the wire is stationary in the magnetic field? No. Therefore, you can see that an electromotive force is only generated when the wire is moving through the magnetic field and cutting through the lines of force. That's all. Thanks for watching.